How to fix the EA Sports College Football 29 Dynasty Mode not working. Hey guys, and let's get started. If you're unable to load the online Dynasty, here are three solutions that you can try on. For the number one, you have to check the server status. If the college football 25 servers are down, then you will need to wait until it gets back. For this, you can either check the official website or the Twitter now known as X account. Likewise, the another solution would be checking your internet connection. Sometimes, due to weak internet connection, the unstable launching of game is possible. So for this case, you can switch to a different connection like that of mobile, hotspot and vice versa. Another thing that you can apply or solution you can try is playing offline dynasty mode. For this, you just have to launch the game, go to the system settings, disconnect from the internet, and you're good to go with playing the offline dynasty. So these are some of the solutions that you can try on. If you have any queries, do not hesitate to drop on the comment section. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.